What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm already finding nail polish that I want to try. This is the Pretty Woman, super pretty, like confetti glitter polish. I think it's really, really cute. We have quite a few new ones from Pretty Woman. This collection is called Cue the Confetti. It's made in the USA. It's vegan, 10 free, cruelty free. When you see 10 free, then it's like free of all of the major 10 offenders. Whatever that is, you guys have probably heard of it, but it's just, you know, basically a polish that's pretty safe to wear. So let's look at some of these colors. Okay, this one is, I want to say this one is Best Dressed. And then we have, I don't know if these are in order or not, this pretty one here. The colors that we have are Best Dressed, Confetti Cannon, Grape Soda. I'm guessing this one is Grape Soda. I'm going to say that this one is probably Confetti Cannon. We have this pink. I'm not really sure which one that is. We have this color that I showed already. Hit the Disco, Sing Out Loud, and Dancing Queen. I don't know, some days I just really like glitter polishes. And then this brand, you guys, these are just $3 polishes. These ones are $3 as well. And the LA colors are $3. We also have even more over here. So let's look at these Funky Fingers ones. You guys have heard me rant and rave about Funky Fingers before because I usually use this brand when I do my French manicures or if I paint my nails or my toes all white. Like, this is the white I've been using for the last couple of years, and I really like it. And this green is really pretty too. This is sort of a orangey red. And then look at this one with the super huge confetti chunks. Again, those are just $3 each. And then we have a bunch of new colors from LA Colors, but they seem to be very popular. And all we have left is Pinky Up. And I think this is Treasure Box. But in your stores, you might have a little bit more. You guys know every store is different. Just be on the lookout for these. Diamond Crush. Wow, these are all part of the Diamond Crush line. And then we have some $3 Essies in the back. And then over here we have more Pretty Woman polishes. This is so pretty. I think this is Cloud 9. The other names are She Flies. We have Take Flight. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Some of these might be out of order, but wow, that's pretty. We have this purple one. We have Spread Your Wings, Inner Beauty, and Butterfly Garden. I mean, these are all so pretty. I definitely want to try these out. I love it when they have new polishes in here. I've been very, very happy with the Funky Fingers brand. And then they had another brand in here, the Fresh Paint brand, that I absolutely love. Love those two brands so, so much. Then we also have a Wet n Wild down here. And that's just $1.50. Foot scrub, overnight foot treatment. I love these from Freeman. I haven't tried these specific two, but I've tried their other two and they smell really nice and they're really moisturizing and nice. Like, that's definitely part of my winter routine. We have the masks. Birdy and I love this one. This is the exfoliating clay, and it's like a clay and a scrub. So you can put it on as a clay mask and then you can gently scrub it off. I also like this one. This one smells really nice. This is a hydrating sort of a gel mask. So we have a nice variety of clay masks and gel masks. This one is Mint and Lemon. This is a clay mask. Ooh, this is a body sugar scrub in coffee. But we also have, I thought this was matcha, but this is actually green tea. A lot of nice ones to choose from. And then we have the minis down here for legs, hands, and feet. We have the little scrubbers, the little buffers, a makeup removing bar. We have a salt foot scrubber, exfoliating and detoxifying. Is it really a bar of soap? I mean, not soap. Is it really a bar of salt? It almost just looks like a bar of soap, but I think it's just pure salt. Again, just $3. This is one of those little spongy soap-infused sponges in strawberry and cream. I love how they package this one. A milk peel. $5 lip culture sets. We have some lip stains. Mascara sets for $5. Nude Scene lip glosses from LA Colors. We have some bronzer sets. Those are $5. 100% vegan, smoke and mirrors, more mascaras. And I know I've probably told you guys this before, but the dermatologist, Dr. Dray, D-R-A-Y, she has come into Five Below. You guys should check out some of her videos. She's come into Five Below before, and she has looked on the back of the boxes and the products, and she has basically given a pass to the majority of the smoke and mirrors products for skincare and hygiene. She was super impressed with the good quality ingredients, and you guys have to check out her videos if you've never seen them. She goes in stores like Walmart, Target, Dollar Tree, and Five Below, and she is a licensed dermatologist, and she'll give you the breakdown on affordable items. I really, really love her videos. And look, you guys, we have tons of fragrances over here. Tons of fragrances for men and women, and all of these are dupe fragrances. Most of these are by the brand Mirage. So just Google Mirage Glamorous Beauty or Mirage Adriana Broken Heart. Like right here, sometimes they'll even tell you this is not associated with Thank You Next, and there you have it. There you know like what it's a dupe for. But not all of them do that. But when they have the sticker, it makes it really easy to know what it's supposed to be a dupe for. Like this one, Sassy Girl, this is not associated with the makers of Fearless by Victoria's Secret. Thank you for the sticker. What is this one? Midnight Soul. It's an eau de parfum. This is definitely brand new. This is not Mirage though. This is Preferred Fragrance. Midnight Soul eau de parfum. It's not an eau de toilette, it's an eau de parfum. A lot of these are the eau de parfums. They're not the toilettes, so they're gonna be more long lasting. But I'm really curious to know what this one is a dupe for. I'm gonna put it in my cart for now because I wanna research it and see what that one is a dupe for. We have a lot of good scents in here. You guys know my all-time favorite. I love the Kimberly so much. We have Rainbow Fantasy, a dupe for Rainbow Fantasy. Again, a Mirage scent. We have a couple Britney scents in here, or Britney dupes. We have Rainbow Fantasy, Island Fantasy, Fantasy. Yes, you guys. Okay, this one is definitely new though. The Broken Love, again, it says it's a dupe for Thank You Next. I have about 3 or 4 of her scents. I don't have Thank You Next though. We also have dupes for, look, this is not associated with the makers of Victoria's Secret Oh So Sexy. I believe I have this one at home. And it's really nice. I love perfumes. And I love trying dupes. Oh, this one smells amazing, you guys. This is for men. I don't remember what this is a dupe for. I think it's like a dupe for Gucci, and it smells really nice. a men's Gucci though. And then over here, you guys, we have lots of nail polish sets. Candy pastels. Again, by Smoke and Mirrors. Aw, these are so cute. This is a cute giftable set. This would be nice for Valentine's Day. Look at the purple. So pretty. A little bag, a little file, and 12 polishes. Look at this one. This is by Beauty Intuition. All really soft colors. Again, 12 colors. Ultimate Mani for $3.25. You get a lotion, a file, and 3 polishes. And we have even more. Electric Neon, Pastel Jewels. Ooh, they all sort of have like a shift to them. A shift or a shimmer. Wow, you guys. Ooh, and look at all the cozy lounge pants. Oh my gosh, look at these socks. Look at these socks, they look so nice. Aw, they're so cuddly, look at them. Super cuddly. Ooh, these are 3-packs. We got some 70s colors going on here, kind of like those. These are so cute. Aw, the blue ones are so cute too. Look at how fuzzy these are. And of course, always look back here in the clearance section. They have tons of items, not just seasonal items. I always like to take a peek. Okay. I guess we better start another video, you guys, huh? Let's start another video right here at the shirts, and I'll show you guys what tees are new. I love these tees. You guys are gonna love them too. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.